What are the benefits of cobots in reducing non-productive times in welding? So the main thing is programming. Not only that you learn the programming very fast, you need only maybe some hours compared to maybe weeks for industrial robot. Also the programming process itself is much shorter. After some minutes you can do your first weld. And for example, especially in small and medium-sized companies, your, let's say, welding series are maybe around 40 minutes. And then if you have an industrial robot and you would need 20 minutes for programming, compare that to 2 minutes for a cobot, that shows you how much you can increase productivity. A second thing is, of course, also in a cobot welding cell you can integrate an automatic torch cleaning station. So you don't need to do the cleaning process of your torch neck manually. Also this will help you to improve your productivity.